Hey guys, this is Tech, and today we got a chance to try out this Arealer RGB mechanical keyboard. Because of many Chinese vendors, the mechanical keyboard prices are getting lower, and we can choose a large variety of mechanical keyboards compared to those last 2-3 years ago when there were only a major brand rule the mechanical keyboard market. Those some Chinese mechanical keyboards use Cherry-MX knockoff key switches such as Gatheron key thermal switches, but they have the same thing like blue, black, red, brown, but with the different actuation forces and quality compared to the genuine Cherry-MX key switches, but of course with the cheaper prices. They also have a variety of lighting effects like RGB, fixed rainbow, solid color, or non-backlit, but there is one thing they are a step behind those major brands is there is no software involved to control and customize the light. All are stored on onboard memory and operate through the function key. Now I found this keyboard. It has not only the RGB light, but also it has a macro key function with the software involved similar to other major brand mechanical keyboards. So it is pretty much better than the other cheap keyboard by the specification right now, but how good are they? Alright, let's find out. Opening off the box, we have a instruction manual and the keyboard itself. Keycap puller. The top shelf of the keyboard is made of aluminum plate, and they use a multimedia function keys in top row, and they use a standard keycap layout but with the gamer-like font, which I'm not a big fan of it. Back of the keyboard is made of black plastic, and they have a 4 rubber feet and 2 flipper feet with the rubber tip on top, and they provide a link to download their app and with the keys for the file. Keyboard is 17.5 inches in length and 5.4 inches in width, about 1.4 inches in height, and around 2 inches with the flipper feet. The keycap they use is a double shot ABS Legend keycap. The double shot means there are 2 pieces of plastic combined to make a keycap. So the key switch they use is, they call it a long key switch. I thought they used a thermal blue switch, but when I saw it, I think it is their own key switch or other Chinese key switch brand that I don't know. There's a lot of key switches in the market out there. And also, when I look at the box, it is 60-gram actuation force, so it is a little bit heavier than the Cherry-MX blue or even the thermal blue key switch. And also they use the SMD LED, as you can see here. The USB cable they use is just a regular rubber coat USB cable, and the USB connector is gold-plated USB connector, but the USB cable is not removable. Alright, so this is a sequence that you will see every time you plug into the PC. You can set the brightness with the function and up arrow down arrow key, and you can set the speed with the minus and the plus. Alright. If you press it again, it would change the color. Scroll lock is gonna be spectrum cycling. That's gonna be the ripple. That's gonna be the reactive. That is also a reactive, but it will light the whole row. That's like a snake. That is a wave. And this is they call the raindrop mode. And this is a snake, so you see the snake on the number pad, but if you press it again, you can actually play the snake. This is actually you're playing like a snake game on the keyboard. Alright, So you can also set your profile up to 3. You can lock the window key by doing a Fn and the window key. So it will indicate here that is the window is locked. And then you press it again. That's it. There is another line effects that I have never seen that one in any other keyboard that I have tried, which is the music effect. You can go with that one with the Fn and the backspace. So it will light up when you're talking, or if there is a music playing near you. You can increase the bar with the Fn and plus. Now it is my favorite line effects. Very cool. So I want to show you about this keyboard and its software. So I downloaded it from its website. It is around like 40 megabyte. Here is the software, and then I go to the light effect. I now have a full color gradient. I can change the speed. Okay, do the fast, then apply. Alright, cool. Alright, cool. Okay, so what function they have? I think this is a static. Yes, it is a static. And monochrome breathing. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Full color automatically cycle breathing. Nice. And a full color around Happy Valley. What is it? Alright, alright, nice. Change it to right. And the brightness. Okay, nice. You can also change the brightness. And also the speed. Alright, cool. Okay. So another is up and down. Okay, this is up, and so it's gonna be down. Alright. So monochrome, softened and happy. Alright. This is full color snake. And the raindrops. Okay, I will do the fast then. Alright, not bad. Okay, cool. I think that one is when you press the key. It's like a ripple effect. Alright. That is my full color gradient. Press button, lights off automatically. Okay. Press the button, light off. Oh, okay. So you have to press it to activate it, and then you can press it to go off. Monochrome. Nice. Cool. If you want to set for the macro keys functions, go to the macro tab right there. I already recorded some macro functions and I want to demonstrate you in this keyboard. So one cool thing about this keyboard is you can set any keys on this keyboard for the macro functions. So basically I will set that one to F1, which would you normally open the window help application, but I want to do the macro key on the F1. So click F1, it will show the F1, and go to the macro and testing file. To execute any key, press stop. It means like you can press any other keys on this keyboard to stop the macro function. And another one is the key is released to stop, means you have to press that key all the way to execute the macro functions. So execute any key, press stop. You can set the play times. I would just do the once, apply, and then click apply. And then I will set F2. It will show the F2. Go to macro. I will do another macro function and apply. So it will show that F1 is the testing file, F2 is another file. So press F1. It will open the notepad, it will type itself. Basically the macro is record every keys that you press in. So it will help you gaming when you play like Dota 2 or League of Legends or World of Warcraft. So I choose save. So this will function until the notepad is closed. Alright, so now the F2. It can also record the key combinations. The F2 is the testing key combinations. So I select the sentence, now copy it, and then I do the copy paste. Alright, so and then it save it. Alright, cool. If you want to delete the F1, press F1, and there's an orange box right there, and there is a trash bin here. Press it, say we delete it, and then press it again, and then click apply. Alright, so if you press F2, nothing will happen. Alright, so here's a typing test of this keyboard. Here is unboxing and review of the Arealer RGB mechanical keyboard. It is sold for $69.99 on Amazon right now. It has a very cool lightning control, not only with the keyboard software but also with the FN key. It has a micro key recording through the software, which I didn't see much in this price range, and their macro key function is pretty cool, and you can set it to any keys, and you can also link your specific macro key profile to any program such as Dota 2, World of Warcraft, or League of Legends, or Photoshop. It's like if you set your macro profile 1 to Dota 2 and macro profile 2 to World of Warcraft, so when you open the Dota 2, your macro profile 1 will load up. It's a very cool feature. If you want to support my channel to do more review videos, I will put the broader link in the description below, and also I will include the download link to its software. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thumbs up if you like it, subscribe if you want to support my channel. If you have any other questions, you can always ask me in the comment section below, or you can hit me up on Twitter. If you have any time, you can also check my other videos right there. Thanks for watching and have a good day.